How to take emojis from other servers on Discord. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Discord application. After that, select a server. Here, let's say this is the sticker and I want to use it in another one. So if you are using it in your PC, when you tap and hold on it, it will show you an option of copying link. Just like this, you can copy message link and send it in other server. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.